Today, we're gonna show you how you can turn such waste into a beautiful fruit bowl. Remember, this is your #1 DIY channel. We'll show you how to do some awesome stuff. Just stick with us, you'll learn how to do something awesome. Very important part of the process is to make sure that the edges are soft and smooth. With this machine, we'll make sure that also the shape is the shape of an actual bowl. And here we have it, a beautiful fruit bowl. Who wouldn't want to display this in their home? It's colorful, eye-catching, classy. And then, inspired by the shape of the lotus flower, with this drill, we can actually make a nifty lamp cover. So there we go. With just a little bit of patience and imagination, we can turn what we thought was waste into something pretty amazing. Nothing is wasted when you have imagination. Remember, keep on watching our content and you'll be able to find out how to make other cool things.